This is box 8 of 9 of Thredup Fun boxes. They are listed as 10 items. A lot of times they get more than 10. They've been really sticking to the 10 lately. Anyway, rescue box, 10 items, $34. Ordered on February 8th, 2023. Today is December 21st, 2023. Yes, I know, that's a long time. What have I been doing? Life happens. We are here now. And who knows when actual now is now. Now is now. That made no sense. Anyway, so, I just realized that this one is from Pennsylvania and not Georgia. And it looks like Pennsylvania likes to send a lot of clothing items. I also noticed. Just from glancing in here. Paper! Pretty sure I have that. Anyway, is this real? This can't be real. This is probably not real. Which is why it's probably in here. Yeah, super fake. Laverne. Was it? Louis Vuitton. There we go. Yeah, that's super fake. Feels fake. Looks fake. Although the tags were leather. I don't know. Probably not. I would not get that lucky. Ooh. Rosie Gaga? Rosie Gaga. I don't know. Make your life more enjoyable and comfortable. I don't know how this would be comfortable. Are these? Okay. I think I figured it out. This goes in front, like so. Your legs go through these, and then this comes up the bottom. None of this lives up to the tag. Maybe a little more enjoyable, but I don't feel like I would enjoy that. And comfortable. Again, don't think so. And that, out of office. I have one just like this. It doesn't say out of office. Maybe it does. I don't know. I think it's the same. CC Exact Exclusives. It's 100% paper. So, out of office. I live in a very beachy town. Because we're right by the beach. I already have these. I already have a hat like this that I prefer. So this will probably definitely be selling. Ooh, another velvety clutch. Ooh, this one's got feathers. Feathers! And this is velvet. Not velvet. This is suede. This is not velvet. It's suede. Okay, how do we open this? And it opens. Oh, it comes with a chain. Chain. And then it says 100% polyester. And it's just a little clutch. Okay, so this would be, if you haven't seen my other video, it's there. This would be better than the other one, I think, for going out. It's a little bit smaller. It actually closes. It's got the chain. The feathers are feathery, you know, so. This is a little like travel jewelry bag. It's got a drawstring, little, well, okay, the drawstring isn't closing. Am I pulling the wrong part? Oh, there we go. Oh, there we go. There we go. Cute little travel bag, embroidered with butterfly and whatnot. I don't see any indicators of anything on this. Is it homemade? Quite possibly. Could quite possibly be homemade. Yeah, so, alright. There's that. Okay, this looks like a robe, maybe. Very satiny robe. Ooh, Victoria's Secret. Extra small, 2018. It is a short robe. It does have a pocket. Does it have a pocket on the other side? Yes, it has 2 pockets. And it does come with a belt. Hey, score, right? Like, when does that happen? What on earth is that? Okay. We have a pan. This is made in Italy. I don't think this is a pan, but you push this and it opens. And then there's the inside. I feel like it's supposed to hold something. Is this like one of those really old, you know how they had the powder, the big powder things? I don't know. Definitely gonna have to use Google Lens for this, but it does say made in Italy on the bottom. So I'm intrigued. Alright, we got some jewelry, accessories, hyperallergenic. Oh, look at the little elephants. 2 little elephants. They are from Walmart. 2 little elephants. Okay, so that's our heater. It makes a noise. Heat and air guy says it's not doing anything bad. It's just making a noise. In order to not make the noise, we have to replace it. And we're not doing that because it works in life. So, these are like little charms. I don't know who they're from though. But we have, oh God, please forgive my nails, you guys, they're horrible. We have a little bow and a little, just gems all around. And then I think this is a sheep? I believe that is a sheep. Little sheep and a butterfly with 3 little gems in the middle. I will have to use Google Lens again. I have no idea if these are even worth anything, what they're for. I mean, obviously they're charms, but I don't know. Moving on. Oh, this is heavy. Damn. This is super heavy. Oh, nice cast. Am I gonna do that? Yeah. It's been a long time since I've been here. Oh, is this a belt? I feel like this is a belt. Okay. Alright, we have another little hangy thing right here. Looks like it's broken. But if it happens to be real, I don't think this is real gold. Oh, I don't think it's real at all. I mean, no indicators of anything on here. I don't know. Bling, bling, bling. Oh, there's something on here. What's it say? Madden Girl. This be making me Madden Girl. Alright. This is a bag. Free gift for FabFitFun members. Alright. This is a Herschel bag. The mica. The mica, or maybe that's the color. I don't know. Herschel. It's got a blow. 100% polyester. Pretty big interior. strappies. I mean, it's a bag. I don't know if it's worth anything. It's in the Thredup Funbox, so probably not. Unless someone needed this particular bag and they can't find it anywhere. Alright, next we have Vera Bradley. Ooh, this is the travel case thing. I don't know if it's for jewelry, makeup, probably anything you want. Most likely makeup. But it folds up, and then you tie it together, and then it has a little hangy thing. You can hang it on a closet or a hook or whatever. So, it doesn't look like it's been used. I say that, and there's a holes inside. It's the bobby pins. Okay, it's been used, but it's in great shape for being used. That's everything in the box. Let's count, shall we? 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12.
Okay, 12 items. Not bad. My favorite in here, I don't know. I don't know if we want to say favorite, but the most intriguing in here is definitely this thing. So, if I figure out what it is, I'll tell you what it is. If I don't, you can figure out what it is. Or let me know. Either one. Yeah. So we got one more box to go. So on to the next. Toodles.